The official ChatGPT desktop app is now available in preview for Linux, and it includes Codex directly inside the application. In this video, I'll show you how to download it, install it, and launch it. And what's cool, this is the official OpenAI application. Before downloading the application, we need to check our Linux distribution and the processor architecture. In order to do that, simply use this command. This command tells you which Linux distribution you are using. Ubuntu and Debian normally use a .deb installation package. Fedora normally uses an .rpm package. And as you see, in my case, it's Ubuntu 24.04 version. Now let's check your processor architecture. In order to do that, use uname -m command. As you could see, I have the 64-bit standard computer processor. It means I have to download 64-bit version of the package for the Ubuntu OS. On the official website, this is the package. For installing ChatGPT, I also recommend installing Bubblewrap. Codex uses Bubblewrap as a part of its Linux sandbox. The sandbox limits what commands can access on your computer. If you want to install it, simply use this command. Once installation is completed, you can confirm that it is installed with the command bwrap --version, and if everything is okay, you will see the version of Bubblewrap. Now open your browser and go to the official ChatGPT download page. It is openai.com/codex. Then your browser should detect the version of your OS, and then in download dropdown you will see different version of the packages. I'm going to download x64 Debian for Ubuntu. After download, let's go to the folder and find your file. Okay, this is my file. There are multiple ways how you can install the package. Simply select a file, click right button, and then select Open with App Center. After about 5 seconds, you will see this window. Since I already have ChatGPT installed on my computer, the installation button is disabled, but you will see it as enabled, so simply click on it. Another way is simply open your terminal window. Inside your terminal window, write sudo apt install and then path to the package. You can simply drag and drop or write package location by hand. Then write your password and hit enter. And then in the start menu, you'll be able to see ChatGPT icon. Simply click on it and you will launch this official ChatGPT desktop application for Linux. It has almost all functionality as Windows and Mac, besides record and replay. So now you can use ChatGPT to control your computer. And if you want to see how to use ChatGPT desktop application for Linux, different use cases, please let me know in the comments below and I will make video about it. And that's probably it about installation. I also will leave the link to the official installation guide, just in case you get lost. And that's probably it. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe to my channel, click like, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye.